Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we've got a healthy granola recipe. And you know what Hippocrates says? Let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. Our ingredients are sea salt, cranberries, maple syrup, which is high in antioxidants, olive oil, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Then we have brown sugar to give the granola that molasses effect. Then we have oats, which is high in soluble fibre. Then we have our desiccated coconut, which is a healthy source of fat. Then we have our cashews, our pecans, which are a good source again of fibre and protein. Then we have our flaxseed, which is excellent source of fibre. Then we have our mixed nuts and our almonds, which are also a good form of protein. And then we have our sunflower seeds and our pumpkin seeds, which are high in magnesium, which helps to regulate our blood sugars. First, we're going to add 100 grams of sugar into a bowl. Then we add 120 ml of olive oil and pour that onto the sugar in the bowl. Next, we add 150 ml of maple syrup into the bowl and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and we stir everything together really well. Next, we're going to add 100 grams of desiccated coconut and put that into the mixture, after which we will add 200 grams of nuts, which has just been roughly broken up, and put that into the mixture, and we're going to stir that together really well. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, after which we will add 400 grams of oats. We're going to mix all of the ingredients together until everything is well combined. Once the mixture is well combined, we're going to place half of the mixture on a lined baking tray. We're going to spread out the mixture evenly along the tray. With the rest of the mixture, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, and 50 grams of dried cranberries. We're going to mix all of these ingredients together really well. We're going to place the mixture onto our second aligned tray and spread out the mixture evenly. We're going to place our granola in the oven at gas mark 3 for 40 minutes, ensuring every 10 minutes that we stir it. Be careful not to overcook the granola. Once it's done, it should still be sticky, and then when it cools down, it will get crunchy and firm. Once the granola has cooled down, you can store it in jars. It's really nice as a cereal, as a topper for yogurt, or even just by itself. It's so nice and crunchy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully see you next Thursday. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Remember to follow Forever Vegan Inspo on Instagram, and if you try any of these recipes, be sure to tag me.